Hi, I'm here and you're there, and this is going to be fun. Let's start. TH, this feather. TH, th, D, dark cloud. D, D. Now, this TH sound is voiced. You want to place your teeth on your tongue and gently push the air through with your voice. Th, th. For D, keep the voice, but place your tongue behind your teeth. D, D. Notice that it doesn't continue the way th continues. Let's practice. Leather, letter, leather, letter. What's this? It's leather. It's leather. What's that? It's a letter. It's a letter. Lather, ladder, lather, ladder. What's this? It's a lather. It's a lather. What's that? It's a ladder. It's a ladder. They, day, they, day. I have a question. Who are they? Who are they? I have a question. What's the day? What's the day? Breathe, breed, breathe, breed. What are you saying? Just breathe. Just breathe. What are you saying? It's a breed. It's a breed. Let's review. Letter, leather. It's leather. It's a letter. Lather, ladder. It's a lather. It's a ladder. They, day. Who are they? What's the day? Breathe, breed. Just breathe. It's a breed. That was some very good practice. Do it again with me. More practice makes more confidence.